Nahihiya ka ba mag-voice over dahil pangit ang iyong boses? Try mo itong viral na boses na humahakot ng million views. Ngayon ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano step by step. Kaya tapusin mo itong video na ito.
Unang step, buksan ng Google Chrome, hanapin or i-type ang 11 Labs. I-open ang website. After nyo ma-open, iset nyo siya ng desktop view. Click nyo lang yan, yung tatlong tuldok na yun sa taas. Tapos, dyan sa baba, meron dyang desktop view. After nyo ma-iset, mag-sign up muna kayo. Free lang naman yan mga Lodi. Mas maganda kung meron na kayo naka-sign in na Google, sign up with Google nyo na lang. After nyo mag-sign up, palitan nyo lang siya ng Adam. After nyo mapalitan, i-type nyo na yung mga gusto nyong sabihin. For example, paano gawin ang ganitong viral na boses? After nyo ma-type, i-click nyo lang yung generate dyan sa baba. Wait nyo lang siya matapos mag-generate. Kailangan may internet kayo dito mga idol. After ma-generate, ito yung sample na tunog.
Paano gawin ang ganitong viral na boses?
Kung okay na sa inyo yung ginawa nyo, pwede nyo na siyang i-download. Click nyo lang yung logo ng download dyan sa may ibaba. After nyo siya ma-download, masisave na yun sa phone nyo mga Lodi. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng CapCut para ma-open natin yung audio. Open nyo lang yung project nyo sa CapCut. Click Audio. Click Sounds. Tapos, select nyo lang yung folder. Then, from device. Diyan sa search, i-type nyo lang yung file name na 11 Labs. After nyo ma-type, lalabas na yan sa may ilalim. Hanapin nyo na lang kung alin dyan yung ginawa nyo. Pwede nyo naman siyang i-play bago nyo siya i-add.
Paano gawin ang ganitong tunog ng... Nahihiya ka ba mag-voice over dahil pangit ang iyong boses?
After mo makapili, click mo lang yung plus sign.
Nahihiya ka ba mag-voice over dahil pangit ang iyong boses? Try mo itong viral na boses na humahakot ng million views. Sana may natutunan kayo. Please share and follow for more. Did you know that Filipinos have their own version of Netflix? It's called Tulfix or Tulfo and Chill. No pun intended. Did you know that when you find a rock in a Filipino bathroom, it is for scrubbing when taking a bath? Did you know the theory about a killer who sings a song while chopping his victim's body parts one by one? The song goes, Paa, Tuhod, Balikat, Ulo. Did you know that you'll hear Edi Wow whenever a Filipino is impressed and sarcastic at the same time? Did you know that, out of courtesy, Filipinos will sometimes tell you Ta Ra Kain, even if they really don't want to share the food? Did you know that if you visit the Philippines, you should not miss out on the grilled pork blood or Betamax, chicken feet or Adidas, and Kwek Kwek? Did you know that Filipinos love eating with their hands? Did you know that Philippines is the text capital of the world? Did you know that Filipinos will mumble things like Yung Kwan, Yung Ano, Basta whenever they are talking? Did you know the reason bakit malungkot ang beshiko?